Now creating category in WordPress. In post we have option as category. Name it. We have slug. Slug is an URL. So we will first name the category. Let it be as a subclass and it will be at none. So add new category. Now the category is been added. You can see on right side. Now go to add new post. So here we will add new post and add some input fields like image to it. Yeah, and just on right hand side we can see we have an option as a post, and we'll go downwards and see categories. So here it is, and select as a subclass and just publish it. And when we refresh it, so go to home page and just refresh it. Yeah, we can see there is a new post named Goa. Now again we will create one new category. So name is at subclass 2, add the category, and we will also create a one new post. And just add something to it like title and some description or image. Let's take image. We will upload image from our local storage, and on right hand side go to settings, post and categories at subcategory 2, select it and just publish it. Okay, now we will go to our website and just refresh it. Look, we can see two posts, one as a Mumbai, one as a Goa. So we can see it's subclass 2. We will go in appearance and menu. Here we will look out for view all. Go to post, create a page, name it as all blogs and just publish it. In appearance menu, select all blogs. So you can see there is two all blogs. So we will add two categories here and drag it little bit rightwards, so it should represent as a sub items. and just save it. When we refresh it, so you can see we in all blogs we have three categories.